guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a summer glam look with the Tartelette palette in Bloom by Tarte. So there are 12 different colors in this shade. This is a more natural palette with a few different shimmers and this side of dark shades right here. And yeah, I was actually gifted this for my birthday recently and I love it so far. I've been using it for the past month. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is the look we are doing. It's a little bit glam, a little bit of natural. If you guys take off these diamond tears, then it can be like a natural look you can use at work. Or maybe not, don't do it at work. It's a little bit too much for work. But yes, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video with the Tartelette palette. We're taking Smarty Pants, which is this one right here. Smarty Pants, and we are going to place that on the crease. The only con I really have with this palette is that there is a lot of fallout. Look, you guys probably will be able to see it. So even when you tap on it just a little bit, you can see a lot of fallout. So we're gonna place this in our crease. So now I'm going to take this color called Leader and placing it on the outer crease and blending it in just a little bit. You want to take a little bit at a time because this color is actually pretty dark. Oh, got on my face! What are the chances of that happening? Okay, we're just gonna blend it out. Cool. I'm gonna go back in with Leader. People are gonna be like, Gina, is that a new trend? You're gonna place this like black dot on your cheek? Nah! Guys, I'm so weird. I don't know how you guys can deal with me. So a smaller blending brush, I'm just gonna tap it in a little bit and then slowly blend it out. And now I am going to take a smaller dome brush like this one, and we are going to take the darkest color called Smoke Show and put a little bit of this in the outer corner, and we're just gonna create a little bit more 3D dimension right here. So I was gonna use Rocker, this one right here. It's not as pigmented as I want it to be. This is how it looks, and I feel like that's really sheer lackluster. Okay, so we're not gonna use that. So instead we're gonna go in with Firecracker. I think this one's gonna be a little bit better if we place it on the lid. And before placing it on the lid, I'm going to spray my brush just a little bit with MAC Fix Miss. What is it called? MAC Fix Plus spray to make the powder a little bit more pigmented. I'm gonna go back in with Smarty Pants and place that on my lower lash line to add some dimension. And then I'm also gonna take a little bit of that Smoke Show and smoking the outer corners inwards a little bit. So now I'm gonna do my liner off camera and place some falsies on, and I'll be right back. Alright, so while my lashes dry, I am going to go in with Hoola Benefit Bronzer and contour my face. Put some dimensions back into this. And as for blush, I am going in with my Too Faced palette. I got this as a gift as well, Christmas of 2000 and I'm gonna go with this blush called Skyline and placing just a little bit of that on my cheeks. So to add a little bit more brightness and to make my eyes pop a little bit more, I'm going to take NYX Milk Latte Liner and place that in my waterline. And now I'm going to go back in with my Tartelette In Bloom palette, and we're going to take Funny Girl, which is my favorite color. I am going to use this in the inner corners of my eyes and as my highlight. We're going to take it on a little small brush like this one. This is my next. How gorgeous is color, to die for. I'm gonna take Expose by Kylie and line my lips. And now I'm gonna take a little bit of the Expose matte lipstick liquid, and we're just gonna place a thin layer in the center of our lips right here. I don't want to overdo it, so we're just gonna put a little bit. This is by Kris Jenner and it's called Really? Question mark, question mark, question mark. And I'm gonna place that all over the lips. This color, I kind of want to add more pink. I think this is too pale. Okay, I'm gonna take this off and try a different color. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my trusty lip liner, Candy K. And now I'm gonna take Really Gloss. So instead of taking that Expose, because it made my lips look a little bit too pale, now I'm gonna take Really Gloss and place that all over my lips. To finish our look, I bought these at Walmart in the nail section. It is called Bring the Salon Home Kiss. And it's basically for your nails, but I'm gonna take one off and place it under my eyes. I saw a Nikki tutorial do this and I thought it was super cute. So I'm gonna take one off and place it under my eye. I think this only costs like $2.99. It's not super sticky. So that is all for my look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this palette. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Ha! Oh, cute. I cried diamonds, bitch. Bow. So cute. Okay, I'm hungry. I don't cry regular tears. I cry diamonds. Diamonds. Oh my God, best friend. Guys, like. So we are. Ooh. I hope this doesn't fall off. When you want to wink at somebody cute. They're like, what is that? Is there something on her eye? Yes, bitch. It's diamonds.